Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gom, and in today's video we will be discussing the question paper patterns of computer programmer examination to be held in April 2021, next month, conducted by the Arunachal Pradesh State Public Service Commission. So without any further ado, let's begin. There will be three papers: paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. So paper 1 will be of general knowledge and general English. So this will be general English. This will be of 50 plus 50 marks equal to total 100 marks. So question papers will be of total 100 marks. The questions difficulty level will be easy to moderate, not so tough. Easy to moderate. Okay, you will have 3 hours duration. Okay, so paper 2 will be of elementary mathematics of 50 marks. There will be 50 questions, I think, maybe. For this one, 50 plus 50, 100 questions. And for this one, there will be, the pattern is different, so we will go through in the next few minutes. Okay, so 50 marks questions of moderate level. It will be not very difficult, not very easy. So okay, so we will discuss that in a few minutes. Third paper will be of computer science, that is the technical paper of 100 marks. Duration will be of 3 hours. Here the duration is 2 hours for elementary maths. Okay, so this is also divided into 2 parts. Part 1 consists of 20 marks, and part 2 will consist of 80 marks. So we will discuss those papers in the next few seconds. So here is the question paper for general knowledge and general English of previous year, that was conducted in October 2019. So full marks is of 100 marks. The time duration is 3 hours. So here are the instruction given: 50 questions of 1 marks each, and English 50 marks total. Why not 1 marks each? Because the pattern is different. Mark distribution varies depending on the questions given. Okay, so here is the general knowledge questions. So the question was mostly based on, I think, history, economics and geography, a few basic sciences also. So it will consist of, the general knowledge will consist of 50 questions of 1 marks each. You can go through. I will share the question papers in the given description below. You can download and go through them or try to solve them yourself. Okay, so 50 marks questions for general knowledge, and the 50 is for English, that is part B. For English, the questions answers are margins in the given below. So first question is of type: you will be given a passage and will be given 5 questions of 2 marks each based on the given passage. So here marks is for each question is 2 marks. 5 questions, that is 10 marks. So this is very easy. In other competitive exams, the marks given for this type of question is 1 for each questions. Okay, so but you have given 2 marks for each question, that is 10 marks for your free of cost to you. Okay, so how I used to give exams, this type of questions, I go through the questions first, then I read the passage once or twice or thrice, then I will answer. So it saves my time, and I can go directly to those sentence or those paragraph where I think the answer is. So I do like that. First I go through the questions, then I read the passage once or twice, then answer. Okay, the second question is of 5 marks, that is 1 marks for each. You have to find the synonyms or the similar meaning words from the passage of these given questions in the question. Okay, Next one is for letter writing. Letter writing 15 marks. Here it is given write to editor. There may be another type of letter to your boss, letter to your girlfriend, or other those things can be given. Okay, so third type is for you have to write a paragraph of any of the one from any of the given topic. Okay, that is for 10 marks. Fourth one is rewrite the given sentence any 5 for 2 marks. It is given for 5 questions. So this is also in these types of questions in other competitive exams like banking or others, you will be given only 1 marks. Here you have been given 2 marks. So this is 20, 35, 40 and 50. So 50 marks for English questions. Done. So English and GK is done. It is the level of difficulty, as I told you, is easy to moderate. Okay. So now next paper is elementary mathematics. So this is of 50 marks, 2 hours duration. You have to answer all the questions. Marks are given. So first question is you have 10 questions of 1 marks each. So this will be of little bit easy. Okay. Next is to answer any 5 questions. 3 marks for each questions, 15 marks. Okay. So this will be of moderate difficulty. And third will be of answer any 5 question, 5 of 5 marks, a little bit tough or hard, whatever you call it. Okay, so these are the questions based on what it can comes from many type of things. So you have to go through elementary maths questions. I will not be sharing anything on this one. Okay, so you have to calculate interest, profit, age. There is some this is from some calculations and these things. See, many different kind of questions. Area of circle, sector, find the length of arc, like those things, HCM, LCM, those things, all mixture of all elementary maths. I think 9 to 12 will suffice. Okay, so thank you. This is of 50 marks. This is of moderate difficulty. This paper will be of moderate difficulty, 2 hours. You have to qualify in all 3 of the exams. Okay, so next is the technical paper, the computer science or application or the technical paper. This is one is the most important. Okay, so there are 2 parts. Part 1, so total duration is of 3 hours, total marks is 100. So part A consists of 20 marks, such as 1 marks for each questions. This is of easy, 1 word or 1 or more sentences answers. You have to answer in 1 or more, like what is the purpose of Kokomo model, what is the purpose, you can explain that in 1 sentence. So you have to write the port numbers for these protocols or services. So you have to write the output of the C++ code like that. So not so much, it will from various types of questions. Okay, you can know why is called NoSQL.db. Why? Differentiate between the main difference you have to tell, like it is connection oriented, connectionless, like that. Okay, you can give like that. Okay, so now part B is most important. This is of each, you have to answer all the questions of 10 marks each, 80 marks. So means this is the, you have to answer the questions in long descriptive, you have to write long descriptive answers. Moderate to hard, the difficulty level is moderate to hard. See, like you have to write the binary search algorithm pseudocode, the code, programming code. Okay, or give an example, 4 marks for the code, 2 marks for the example. You have to derivation, you have to derive the asymptotic time complexity of binaries expressed in big omega notation, only big omega, not other notation. Okay, 4 marks. You have to design what you say. So these are from what you say, algorithm, data structures and algorithms, data structures and algorithm part. This is from digital logic, digital electronics, whatever you call. Okay, 10 marks. You have to design a synchronous library up counter using tpliploads and elaborate. Okay, so this one is easy. From computer networks, you have to compare and contrast the similarities and difficulties of the differences of the TCP/IP model. Okay, so now this is the from computer networks. Also, this is also from computer networks, and the IP for address allocation is used, and now the address of the host is given. Now you have to find a network address. It is network address like something like 133.1.0, like that something. Okay, and the subnet mask, number of hosts we can have. Okay, so this is from computer networks. Okay, and now you have to relation database. Now you have to write SQL commands. Okay, SQL commands, SQL commands. Okay, 6 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks. So you have to, this is from DBMS or database. Okay, now you have to also, this is from web technology. You have to write the HTML and CSS codes. 2 marks for CSS, HTML 4. Okay, now this is from programming, C++ or Java you have to use, and write this simple codes for class, how to define class variable, copy constructor is used, method overloading or function overloading is used, parameterize constructor is used. Okay, parameterize, you know, when you pass through those things. Okay, and this is from what you say, least recently used optimal algorithm from operating system, Beladis anomaly. Okay, now you have to write C++. This is also from C++ code programming part. Okay, like this. So you have to focus on these. Main part is you have to focus on the technical paper mostly, and but you have to qualify both the English and general knowledge as well as elementary mathematics. So all the links for these previous year question papers are given in the description below. Download them and go through them and prepare accordingly. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, bye bye now.